You're not alone if you're confused about the short-term rental business. A lot of people are trying to get started but just don't know where to begin. Whether you want to start your own short-term rental business or serve the industry with your business, we're here to help. Hey there, my name is Janet, and there's a lot of confusion in the short-term rental business. Whether you are looking to serve the business or start your own book of business, we're here to help you identify properties and understand how you can maximize your profit.
I'm always so overwhelmed with Jana's knowledge, and overwhelmed in the greatest possible way ever. She's always so generous as to share all of the knowledge that she has, and this weekend once again has just proved that to me. She has shared so much about the STR and all the numbers and the behind the scenes and everything that goes along with it, and I feel like that it's something that I can take back with me, and it's all totally doable. And I also know that I have a great resource in Jana that I can always come back to if I need extra help.
I thought it was really good to see all the active short-term rentals and just to see how they function in real life, and it's not just something you see on Instagram or the pretty pictures or things like that. It's the nitty-gritty of and the behind the scenes of how things work. So it was very informative and very helpful.
We're already in this market, but the confirmation and information shared has been so fantastic.
I've also learned a lot about possibly doing this for myself and investing in properties and growing legacy for my family.
What I gleaned from this was hope on the first day, and it was just two little words. That was one word that Jana said, and she said, "We do rent to rents." Took me a few minutes, but I got it. What rent to rents means for me is that in my staging company, I can step into having my own book of business as a company that's struggling financially that will then give me more money to keep going. I just have hope now, and that's what I asked God for, and that's what I got.
I've learned so many good takeaways. I'm interested in what I can do with my own house that I live in right now, because she gave me some good ideas about that. I got some good ideas about, well, right now I'm a realtor, so I'm going to need to find me a stager. I got some course plans that I need to play out, some steps to get there, and hopefully end up with the 10 properties that will get me to $1 million really soon.
If you're interested in learning more about short-term rental and how to start your own business or serve the business, join us for our next workshop. We're actually going to tour properties together and go through our 85-page workbook and network with like-minded professionals just like you. Make sure you sign up and reserve your ticket today.
Come on!